This could be the best value rugged 3-in-1 tablet in 2026. Hi everyone, this is JD, your gadget review friend. Welcome back to Gadget Rev Now. Are you looking for a phone, a tablet, and a core screen Android device that would fit your lifestyle? Well, look no further. Ulefone just introduced what could be the best 3-in-1 tablet, a phone, and a core screen, the Ulefone RugKing Pad Pro. With everything it offers plus the accessories, is this tablet worth it in 2026? Let's find out. Let's quickly unbox the Ulefone RugKing Pad Pro and the available accessories for this tablet. We are unboxing the 18 watts desk charging dock, the Ulefone RugKing Pad Pro, and the Armor Mount Max that looks like Bone Crusher from the Transformer movies. We will do a full review of these items after the unboxing, also show you personal applications, and I will be leaving the timestamp on the description of this video if you want to pick parts depending on what you need to know. We have a rugged tablet right off the bat. Looking at the specification, IP68, IP69. We got smart connection, super torch, 8.6 to 8-inch display. We got Unisoc T7-250 processor and 128 gigs ROM, a dual camera system with 7,100 mAh battery, and NFC. We got a pre-applied screen protector in front. At the back, we got a plastic yellow back cover with Ulefone logo and the camera module. We have the lanyard holder on one side. On the other side, we have the speaker. When we flip on the other side, we got the docking station and U-Smart connector. And on the top side, we got the SIM and TF card slot with charging port and audio jack covered by rubber flaps. Checking the package, we all have the user manuals, warranty card, safety documents for the tablet. We also have the fast charging 18 watts charging block on EU. Make sure to check your plug for your specific region. A fast charging black cable, extra screws, and we have the rugged lanyard. It feels like something you could use for a proper camera. Opening and setting up the tablet for the first time. This is running on Android 16 out of the box, which is really nice. Now checking on the Armor Mount Max, this is a core accessory. We got a quick start guide and the mount itself. With its size, you can use this tablet as a core display for your maps, songs, video, security camera, and all other smart things. This car mount not only works for your tablets, but also for your smartphone. It is really rugged, a bit on the heavy side, but really sturdy. Later, we will test this. And to complete the ecosystem of this tablet is the 18 watts desk charging dock. So while watching a movie or playing on your tablet, you can actually dock this and it's charging wirelessly without needing to open the rubber flap over and over. I think this is self-explanatory. We only have the manual and a docking station. Obviously, you can use the charger and cable of the tablet to connect this. It only uses one side of this tablet with a 3-pin connector, so don't be mistaken. So I think that's it for a quick unboxing of the tablet, the car mount, and the docking station. Let's see what this 3-in-1 tablet offers us. With all the things that we unboxed, let's talk about the start of this review, the Ulefone RugKing Pad Pro. This could be the best 3-in-1 device right now with its size, great build, and awesome features. Let's see what you would get for around $200. For those people thinking what could be the best comparison for this tablet, RugKing Pad Pro competes with the likes of iPad mini and Galaxy Tab Active 5. And comparing the value of this tablet, this is half the price of the competitors or even less, and probably offers more than the competition. Let's start with the design and build, and there are 3 color options for this tablet: yellow, black, and gray. We got the yellow color, and I think this is the best color of the bunch. Black would also be a good choice if you want a minimalist looking 8-inch tablet. With its plastic and rubber build, this is very light with only 0.5 kilogram on our scale, and that's really light considering the size of the tablet. It is IP68 and IP69K certified. It's splash, water, and dust resistant. You can submerge this to water 2 meters up to 30 minutes. The screen is large and very nice. It's a 1340 by 800, 8.6 to 8-inch screen, and by the looks of it, this is an LCD screen because the black isn't so deep, but you got 90 Hz refresh rate, which is really nice. It feels really smooth scrolling through your home screen and even playing games. The screen is covered by Corning Gorilla Glass 3 and finger-resistant coating. Mind you, with all these protections, Ulefone also installed a screen protector out of the box. The screen lights up really bright. You would be able to see what's on the screen even on direct sunlight, and typing, reading, and watching videos won't be a problem. Because of that huge display, I'd say you'll probably type using both hands, but rarely you would have mistakes because of that huge keyboard. And by the way, just an extra tip, if you're buying this tablet, go to your display settings and click Video Display Enhancement, and that makes the video quality even better. Now, in terms of performance, this is in no way a gaming tablet like iPad mini or something you would buy for $800. If you set the right expectation, this tablet is only $200 but performs really well on day-to-day tasks. It uses an entry-level processor, Unisoc T7250. This chip powers phones like Xiaomi Redmi A5 or Infinix Smart 10 Plus. This processor can power a 1080p display and also on 4G network, which this tablet has a dual 4G SIM slot. Going to the nitty-gritty of things, it also has 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage running on UFS 2.2, but you can expand the storage up to 2 TB through micro SD card expansion. With the size of this tablet, I don't think you would be playing games a lot, but day-to-day activity is great, especially phone calls, text, watching content, and streaming services, and browsing through your social media and even reading ebooks. This tablet is great. This rugged tablet also has dynamic RAM expansion that can add up to 16 gigs of RAM to your 128 gigs of internal storage. And if you need more space for your music, videos, and even your apps, you can add micro SD card on the fly. And lastly, talking about the OS, it runs on Android 16 out of the box. So it also has all the updated features of Android and also running on Gemini. If you're into AI, obviously you can install ChatGPT, but you have all the security features of Android 16 all baked in on this tablet. Still talking about performance, let's talk about the camera performance, and I would say this is good on most situations. Nothing that will compete with the flagships out there. Again, there's a specific usage for this tablet. I would say the camera will be used more for scanning documents, casual family pictures, and maybe even video calls. The rear camera is a 16-megapixel Sony IMX498 imaging sensor. The colors are really great and the images are sharp. The colors are on the natural side and daylight images will be as good as any other mid-range tablets out there. The only problem here is low light condition, a bit challenging for the sensor. Video resolution can go as high as 1080p 30 FPS with the availability of 720p and 480p. The front camera is an 8-megapixel Samsung 4H8 CMOS sensor, and this could be used for video chat, a little bit of portrait selfie, and it can also record 1080p 30 FPS video for vlogging with the availability of 720p and 480p. Here I will give you some sample images and videos of Ulefone RugKing Pad Pro. We are vlogging using Ulefone RugKing Pad Pro, selfie camera full HD 30 FPS. This is also the stabilization test. Look at the colors of the sky and the buildings. Let's switch to the rear camera. Now this is the rear camera test. Again, full HD 30 FPS. We can zoom in 2x and can go as far as 4x. Now the audio performance is surprising, although on the spec sheet it doesn't advertise Dolby Atmos technology or anything like that, but the loudspeaker is pretty good on this tablet. It's a dual channel bottom firing speakers and it's loud enough to fill the whole room. It has good bass and nice mids. Here I will give you some sample audio of this tablet. Please don't scroll. I'm just trying to become... Now aside from everything it offers, this 3-in-1 tablet also has special features, starting with the custom key. If you own a rugged phone before, you're probably familiar with the custom key. You can do single click, double click, and even long press, and it will give you certain functions like opening of apps or torch. You can map almost anything on this custom key. There's also a super torch built in on this tablet and it's IP68 waterproof. We could also charge this phone in 2 ways by USB Type-C. There's also a charging pin for the dock charging, and just right beside it you will have a U-Smart connector. If you go on the Ulefone's website, you will find a lot of U-Smart accessories like macro cameras, lights, and all other things. It also has a built-in lanyard holder on the side, so you can either hold it or carry it like a bag. And this tablet is eSIM ready, so you can quickly switch networks on this phone via eSIM. And lastly, let's talk about the battery life. And this tablet has a massive 7,100 mAh battery, and pretty much what you would use this tablet for, like light gaming, content consumption, browsing the internet, a typical phone functionality like call and text. This will be an easy 2-day tablet for you. And if you suddenly need charging, you have an 18 watts dock charging or even just the USB Type-C charging that could fill the tablet more or less 1.5 hours on my personal test. Alright, quick accessory test starting with the 18 watts docking station. So you would see you have the docking pins here for charging. This is connected to a USB Type-C. You have input here and output. And you simply align the pins on the docking station and you're all set. You can watch movies I don't know if you can play games, but you can watch movies on this tablet while charging. And lastly, we're testing the Armor Mount Max. So you can see it's mounted on my car. You can use the RugKing Pad Pro as your entertainment tablet. Obviously, you can also use this for everything else like maps, even playing some videos for kids. I think between the docking station and the mount, I would buy both, but I would prioritize the Mount Max. I feel like it is a really good addition for your tablet. And because of how it was built, I think this will serve you for a long time. So what's our verdict? All in all, for $200, you will have a great 3-in-1 tablet, a phone, and a car screen all in one. With its massive battery, huge screen, and rugged protection, Ulefone RugKing Pad Pro is the best value rugged 3-in-1 tablet in 2026.